What's good, y'all? I'm gonna give a quick overview of what we're gonna cover in this session. Specifically, we're gonna talk about how do you get used to being on camera. We're gonna talk about what kind of gear do you need, with a strong emphasis on cheaper stuff and smartphones as opposed to buying really expensive setups. That sort of craziness. We don't really wanna go down that road just yet. Thinking about how do you make your ideas interesting you wanna talk about, but also a lot of the videos that we're gonna go over is how do you use them in clever, interesting ways. So not necessarily becoming a YouTube star. For the most part, YouTube is actually a terrible way to make money. Getting good with video is something that's really powerful to amplify your writing or amplify your job prospects, or if you're an entrepreneur, how to increase opportunities. So we're going to go over kind of things I've learned along the way doing that. But another part of this session is it's going to be very collaborative and interactive. So even if you do know video, but your particular challenge might be that you don't have a good group of people to get quick feedback from and kind of rapidly iterate. We'll go over some frameworks for that, but we'll use breakout rooms in interesting ways to kind of rapidly accelerate ideas, share information, and the beginnings of community around this kind of stuff. So look forward to seeing y'all. Peace.